Section 7. The classification of dangerous goods. Dangerous goods are grouped according to classes and divisions. These help separate the different types of dangerous goods and the specific types of hazard in each group. Classes. There are 9 classes of dangerous goods. 1. Explosives. 2. Gases. 3. Flammable liquids. 4. Flammable solids, substances liable to spontaneous combustion, and substances that, on contact with water, emit flammable gases. 5. Oxidizing substances and organic peroxides. 6. Toxic and infectious substances. 7. Radioactive materials. 8. Corrosives. 9. Miscellaneous products, substances, or organisms. Divisions. Some of the classes are separated into divisions. The class number is shown before the period, and the division number is shown after the period. The following section shows the placards used for the classes and divisions. Keep in mind that this list is not exhaustive and variation on placards exists. Class 1 Explosives. 1.1 Mass Explosion Hazard. 1.2 Projectile hazard, but not a mass explosion hazard. 1.3 Fire hazard. 1.4 Very insensitive, but with a mass explosion hazard. 1.5 Extremely insensitive with no mass explosion hazard. 1.6 No significant hazard beyond package. Class 2 Gases. 2.1 Flammable gas. 2.2 Non-flammable, non-toxic gas. 2.2 5.1 Oxidizing gas. 2.3 Toxic gas. Class 3 Flammable liquids. 3. Liquids with a flash point less than 60.5 Celsius. Class 4 Flammable solids, substances liable to spontaneous combustion, and substances that on contact with water emit flammable gas. 4.1 Flammable solid. 4.2 Substances liable to spontaneous combustion. 4.3 Water reactive substances. Class 5 Oxidizing substances and organic peroxides. 5.1 Oxidizing substances that yield water. 5.2 Organic peroxides. Class 6 Toxic and infectious substances. 6.1 Toxic substances. 6.2 Infectious substances. Class 7 Radioactive materials. Class 8 Corrosives. Can destroy human tissue or corrode metal. Class 9 Miscellaneous products, substances, and organisms. In order for you to be adequately trained, you must understand the requirements for each of these before you ship, transport, or receive them. To do this, you can talk to your employer about what steps you need to take. Review the legislation on the Transport Canada website at www.tc.gc.ca or call the Coordination and Information Center, CIC, at 1-800-272-9600. The CIC is a department of Transport Canada, and they can provide advice on the requirements for TDG shipments. That concludes Section 7. Complete the end of section questions.